What's going on? So today we got a video from Dispatch 9 Media, and the title of the video is Man Runs from Police, Quickly Regrets It. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here. Hopefully this is a good one.
Give it fucking hand! Give it a hand!
Bingo.
On Friday, September 29th, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop at this location on a truck they allegedly witnessed in a drug transaction. The truck made a turn into these apartments, which officers assumed was an attempt to escape. We pick up after the truck hit this dead end.
Here, we can just call them back to us. Let me see your hands. All y'all's hands. Turn the truck off.
335.
Let me see your hands, driver.
And Freedom Crossing.
Call it out. Yeah.
HJ 707, give us 1033 for just a minute. We're doing a felony takedown in Kensington Square apartment.
8202.
Oh, unit 1033.
Come on, what we doing?
8707 is going to be 8204 Kensington Square. Yep. Hey, man. Hey.
Hey, Chief, we got.
Hey, man. Hey.
One took off. Oh, here we go. Cops don't like to run, boy.
You're so fucked!
He said, you are so fucked. Oh, yeah. Officers don't like to run. Oh, he fell. Oh, he messed up. Got him right. Wait. What? Nah, bruh. Nah, man. The suspect, he slipped and you still ain't catch him? Yo, cops don't like to run, boy. They gonna be on your ass when they catch you, boy.
You're fucked! You're fucked! You are so fucked!
He was supposed to get him here, though. I ain't gonna lie. He slipped. Come on, man. Come on. You ain't play football? You supposed to wrap up. You ain't play football? Come on, man.
I'm gonna tase you. Gotta get on the ground.
Man, he's slowing down. Oh, man. Oh, he fell again. Oh,
Get on the ground.
oh, got him right. Ooh.
Get on the ground.
He fell face
Stand
first
on
on
your
the
stomach. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get it
face
again.
first on the pavement. Damn.
You're gonna get it again. Put your hands behind your back.
You'd be lucky if he ain't busted up. Face first on the pavement. Crazy.
You hear me? Yeah. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh no. Hold on. Time out. I need what you think. Let me know what you think in this comment section, boy. Because look, they gonna get them right. I'm trying to tell you. First of all, cops don't like to run. Like on the police they don't like that. So you already letting them whatever. But once you caught, you caught. You know what I'm saying? Put your hands behind your back, you know what I mean? Whatever. And it'll be over with. But if he don't want to put his hands behind his back and he want to fight, do you think it's wrong for them to get him to act right? He ain't acting right now. He doing whatever he want to do. He ain't acting right. So do you think they need to apply a little pressure, a little pain compliance, a little act right to get him to cooperate? You let me know in the comment section. Do you think it's appropriate now, or do you think they should still just be, la? Man, shit. You better start acting right.
Keep him back.
I don't even got nothing.
Put your hands behind your back.
They're behind me. I don't even got to.
One hand is behind you. Where's the other hand? Oh yeah, that pavement busted him up.
You're gonna get tasty here. All right.
928 Zone District 3 Task Force units.
Give me your hand.
Y'all give us some updates. Y'all
Behind your back, goddammit.
direction of travel.
All right, let me do
Stay
it.
on
Go.
unit.
All right.
About to get them together.
Put your hand behind your back. All right. All right.
Oh yeah, the boys showed up.
Get your hands behind your back. Hey, give me that hand. Give me that hand.
Oh my God! Did you see the other officer? Yo, the other officer need him in his shit. Oh my God. But keep in mind, none of this will happen if he would just put his hands behind his back. If he wasn't fighting, none of this will happen. Okay?
Put your hand behind your back. All right.
Oh, that other officer.
All right.
Oh my.
Get your hands behind your back.
God.
Give me that hand. Give me that hand. Give me that hand. Hey. Hey. Give it.
Woo, they gonna get them together, boy.
Give it. Give it a hand. I can't get it. Give it a hand.
They gonna get his ass right, boy.
Give it a hand. Give it a fucking hand. Give it a hand.
Rib shot.
Still Polish. Give me a hand. Give it. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, give it. Fuck you, he's still fighting. You got it, there we go. Here goes on, here goes.
There's no point in fighting when you caught. Like, you caught already.
You got it? No. Nope.
They got his ass together, boy.
Yeah, yep. You got it. Woo.
746 still in Kensington Square. Chasing. We're on nothing.
Love now.
Fighting one.
Woo. What's it got on? I don't know. Can you check him?
703 to 100.
Something.
Back at the scene, officers detain the other two suspects without incident and begin a search of the vehicle.
Without incident, so they was complying.
Chasing another one. Instead, if you have a description, you got assets coming to you. Let me know where we can put them.
100 from 8701. 8707 was chasing an individual on foot through Kensington Square Apartments. We began at 8204 Kensington Square, and he was wearing all black. 8707, is he in custody?
Yeah, we got one in custody. He was still fighting us pretty good. If we get a canine en route, so we can do an arm search. Just in case he threw a zero.
Yeah, ain't none of that happened to these two.
8703 from 8701. That is the one, just so we're understanding, that is the one that 8707 was chasing, correct?
10-4.
All right, 10-4, 100 and 757 from 8701. That's all three that from this truck that we have into custody.
Well, we've got everybody in custody. You don't got enough units. We'll go ahead and HQ. We'll clear 1033. We'll work the rest off a gang channel. 46 here. They said there's still somebody out there.
See, now people ain't gonna like this video, right? But how else are you gonna get him to comply? He's not listening. He's fighting, you know? Now, if he was cuffed and they was beating on him and stuff, now that's different. That's some whole shit. I ain't gonna lie. Once he cuffed, it's a wrap, but he ain't cuffed yet. You guys are still fighting to try and get him cuffed. He's, you know, it is what it is. Shit. Act right. That wouldn't happen. That ain't happened to the other guys. They sitting there, okay. They caught. It is what it is. They got his ass together, boy. Especially that one
Bingo.
cop.
Hey, there you go. Where'd you find that at? Right here. Burberry box.
Yeah, 420
Is that good? Drug.
This incident immediately caused a media uproar, with some claiming the officers were far too aggressive with the suspect. After his mugshot was released, an investigation was launched and found no wrongdoing. What do you guys think? Were the officers' actions too far, or is the suspect responsible for attempting to flee? Let us
I know many people ain't gonna like my response, but you know, man, I call it down the middle, man. Knowing both sides, you know what I'm saying? I understand both sides. You feel me? Because I was a correction officer. If you don't know, I was a correction officer for 7.5 years, and I understand both sides. You feel me? Like now, like I'm saying, you know, if he was cuffed and they was just beating on him, I think that's completely different. You know what I'm saying? Like, or like what happened to George Floyd and stuff like that. Like the motherfucker cuffed down, knee on the neck. Like that's all that is fucked up. You know what I'm saying? But this is a guy who took off running, not complying, not letting them, you know, put your hands behind your back, you know, simple instructions. He don't want to do it even after he's caught. You know what I'm saying? They're trying to get the hands behind the back. He fighting against it and everything. How else are you going to get him to comply? You already tried it the nice way. You already tried it by giving commands, verbal commands. You already tried it with the taser. Like, what else are you supposed to do? You got to get him to act right one way or another. So get his ass together. Shit, get him together. You know what I'm saying? That you know, because that would not happen if he just complied. You see what I'm saying? So people look at it one way. Oh, the officer shouldn't have did that, shouldn't have did this. But put yourself in their shoes. What else are they supposed to do? They already tried the taser. They already tried verbal commands. What else are they supposed to do? You got to get it together. Get them right. Damn. But the first officer, you know, he did a little whatever. But that second officer that came, put the knee to the face. Oh my God. That was it, boy. When he came and started kneeing him in the face, oh my gosh. That was insane. Honestly, though, you know, I gotta rate the officers, you know, see how well they did. I'm gonna give a 4 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? 4 out of 5. I can't give a 5 out of 5. You know what I'm saying? Some of the stuff was maybe a little unnecessary, but you know, how else are you supposed to, you know, get them right? You know what I'm saying? Gotta act right. If you was acting right, none of that would have happened. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I know the liberals gonna be mad at this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be mad at my response. Might even lose a couple subs. But it is what it is. What else are you supposed to do? They already tried the taser, and they already tried verbal commands. What else are you supposed to do? It ain't working. Get them together. How well do you think the officers did? Man, before we even get into that, I can understand why there was an uproar. You know what I'm saying? To the general public, you know, you see shit all lumped up, all that. I see why there was an uproar. But what else are you supposed to do? If he would have just put his hands behind his back, none of that would have happened. You see that didn't happen to the other guys. Why? Because they complied. They didn't take off running. First of all, once you take off running, the officer already gonna be tight. That's why when he was running, he was like, oh, you fucked up. That already let me know, oh yeah, they gonna get them together. But when you caught, you tased, you caught, put your hands behind your back, it's over. You don't wanna do that? They gonna get you in them cuffs one way or another. You could go peacefully or you could go, you know, is what it is, man. But anyway, How well do you think the officers did? Okay, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video, boy, because this was crazy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.